What a glorious morning. Listen to the silence, well, apart from the birds. Just going to crack on there with the workout. Start off with some nice mobility stuff. I've got a lovely RMT club bell. Like that. Great for mobility around the arms and the shoulders, which I suffer off from being really tight. So we're going to crack on with that. And got a trusty old 10 kilo Bulgarian bag, 12 kilo kettlebell and a mat, and gonna have a nice workout there really, and enjoy the sunshine and feel super duper mellow by the river with the sound of the birds. I mean, just listen to those lovely birds. Can't go wrong with that in the morning, can you? Catch you at the end of the workout, boys. So the funny thing is, my exercise, the way I like to exercise, is I tend to like to go at it fairly hard. I feel like I've had a really good workout, but this morning, because of the peace and quiet, because of the birds and the sunshine, I just thought to myself, I'm gonna have a nice mellow, easy workout. So rather than going hard and fast and heavy, I'm just taking it steady and doing slightly longer reps. So I've just done 25 squats with a Bulgarian bag there. Normally I'd do sort of 10 or 12 and then move very quickly on to the next exercise. But you know, I just feel mellow. It's just nice being out here. And I suppose for me, that's part of one of the joys of exercise, especially at this time of year, and especially about being outside. It's good for the soul, good for the body, good for the heart, but good for the soul as well. Anyway, catch up with you later on, boys. I might even have a sweat on by then. Well then, that was that. It's about 25 past 8 now, so I've done about 45-50 minutes workout. Didn't go too crazy, as I said I wouldn't, but really enjoyed it. Did more reps. So where I would normally do 10 or 12, I was up in the 25s, that sort of thing. Really enjoyed it, actually. Got a bit of a sweat going, so it's getting on towards 8:30 now, and there's lots more people coming out, so it loses its beauty, this spot. A lot of people come with the cars, the dogs, and the noise. So yeah, what a lovely sunny Saturday morning, what a gorgeous start to the weekend. And yeah, hope you boys get out and do some exercising too. Be inspired. Doesn't have to be hard, doesn't have to be really intense. As long as you're getting the body moving, it does make a difference. So that's all from me for now. Catch you all a little bit later. Cheers, bye.